Hello everyone, myself Kanika Gupta, a member of Shivjyoti Educational Group Kota. Today we are here to study our second chapter of maths, that is 4 operations. So what are the 4 important operations we do in maths? They are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Today in this video we will learn about the addition and subtraction. So what is addition? Addition is finding the total sum by combining 2 or more numbers. Or we can say addition gives sum or total. This more than any of the given number. In the previous class, we have learned to add 5-digit and 6-digit numbers. Now, let's learn to add 7-digit, 8-digit and 9-digit numbers. Adding 7-digit, 8-digit, 9-digit numbers is same as adding 5 or 6-digit numbers. Addition of numbers can be done easily by arranging them according to their place values. At first, we will start from addition without carryover. Let us add 13,21,152 and 24,30,235 and write the addends and the sum obtained in words. So first, we will arrange the numbers in the place value chart. That is in the ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs and 10 lakhs columns. We start by adding the numbers in the ones column and then the tens and so on till we reach the 10 lakhs column. Here 2 plus 5 equals to 7. Next 5 plus 3 equals to 8. Now 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Further 1 plus 0 equals to 1. Next 2 plus 3 equals to 5. Now 3 plus 4 gives 7. And finally 1 plus 2 gives 3. Hence the sum of 13,21,152 and 24,30,235 is 37,51,387. And the addends are 13,21,152 and 24,30,235. Now, let's learn addition with carryover. Now, let us add 28 crore 43 lakhs 62,137 and 30 crore 37 lakhs 89,248. Write the numbers in the place value chart. Now add the numbers in each column one by one. Starting from the ones column, so first we add 7 plus 8 equals to 15. Let us carry the digit 1 to the tens place. Now let us add the digit of tens place. 1 plus 3 plus 4 equals to 8. Now add the digit of hundreds place. 1 plus 2 equals to 3. Next, add the digit of thousands place. 2 plus 9 equals to 11. Now, let us carry the digit 1 to the 10,000s place. 1 plus 6 plus 8 equals to 15. Now carry the digit 1 to the lakhs place. Next, add the digit of lakhs place. 1 plus 3 plus 7 equals to 11. Then carry the digit 1 to the 10 lakhs place. Further, add the digit of 10 lakhs place. 1 plus 4 plus 3 equals to 8. Next, we will add the digit of crores place. 8 plus 0 equals to 8. And finally, add the digit of 10 crores place. 2 plus 3 gives 5. Hence the sum of 28 crore 43 lakhs 62,137 and 30 crore 37 lakhs 89,248 is 58 crore 81 lakh 51,385. Now we will learn how to find missing digits in addition. Here you can see the examples. In the ones column, 3 is smaller than 5. So we find a number which when added to 5 give it a sum whose unit digit is 3. 13 is a 2-digit number. Keep the ones 3 and carry over the tens 1. So we write 8 in the blank space. In the tens column, we know that 7 plus 1 equals to 8. So we write 1 in the blank space. Continuing in this manner, we get all the missing digits. Now we are going to study properties of addition. So first is order commutative property. Two numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. For example, 17,624 plus 38,715 is same as 38,715 plus 17,624. So 17,624 plus 38,715 is 56,339 and 38,715 plus 17,624 is also 56,339. Now next is grouping associative property. Three numbers can be added in any order, their sum will remain the same. For example, 2,48,015 plus 1,76,240 equals to 4,24,255 plus 93,148 is 5,17,403. On the other side, 1,76,240 plus 93,148 equals to 2,69,388 plus 2,48,015 is also 5,17,403. Now, next is zero identity property. When 0 is added to a number, the sum is the number itself. For example, 9,76,845 plus 0 equals to 0 plus 9,76,845 equals to 9,76,845. Here we can also understand the addition with the help of these words like sum, add, together, plus, more. If all these words come in the word problem, then we have to do addition. Now we are going to study how to solve word problem based on addition. For example, the population of a town is 12,48,934. If 57,500 more people come to the town, what will be the new population of the town? Now, how do we write statements? First, we will write present population of the town, that is 12,48,934. Next, number of people who come to the town, 57,500. Here, the population of the town has increased, so we will add. Now the new population of the town is 12,48,934 plus 57,500 equals to 13,06,434. Hence, new population of the town is 13,06,434. Now, we are coming to the next operation, subtraction. What is subtraction? Subtraction is taking one number from another. We subtract 7, 8 and 9-digit numbers in the same way as we subtract numbers smaller than them. Now, we start with the subtraction without borrowing. Let us subtract 1,34,27,605 from 5,87,39,825. Now we will arrange the numbers in the place value chart. Then subtract the digits in each column starting from the ones place. So 5 minus 5 equals to 0. Tens place 2 minus 0 is 2. At hundreds place 8 minus 6 equals to 2. Thousands place 9 minus 7 is 2. 10,000s place 3 minus 2 equals to 1. At lakhs place 7 minus 4 equals to 3. 10 lakhs place 8 minus 3 equals to 5. And in crores place 5 minus 1 equals to 4. We got 4 crore 53 lakhs 12,220 by subtracting 1 crore 34 lakh 27,605 from 5 crore 87 lakh 39,825. Now we are going to study subtraction with borrowing. Let us subtract 57 lakh 68,435 from 90 lakh 26,154. So we will subtract the digits in each column starting from the ones place. Here 4 minus 5 is not possible. Then we will borrow from tens place. So 5 will become 4 and 4 will become 14. Here 14 minus 5 equals to 9. And at tens place 4 minus 3 is 1. Next, at hundreds place 1 minus 4 is not possible. Then we will borrow from thousands place. So 6 will become 5 and 1 will become 11. Here 11 minus 4 equals to 7. And at thousands place 6 minus 8 is not possible. Then we will borrow from 10,000s place. So at 10,000 place 2 will become 1 and at thousands place 6 will become 15. Next, at 10,000s place 2 minus 6 is not possible. Then we will borrow from 10 lakhs place. Because at 10 lakhs place digit is 0. So here 9 will become 8, 0 will become 9 and 1 will become 11. Here 11 minus 6 equals to 5. 9 minus 7 equals to 2. 8 minus 5 equals to 3. Hence the difference between 90,26,154 and 57,68,435 is 32,57,719. Here we can also understand the subtraction with the help of these words like minus, take away, deduct, difference, decrease and subtract. If all these words come in the word problem, then we have to do subtraction. Now, we are going to study how to solve word problem based on subtraction. For example, Rajesh had rupees 15 lakh in his bank account. He purchased a car for rupees 7,25,000. He spent 65,000 to buy some accessories. How much money does he have in his bank now? So first we will write cost of the car, that is rupees 7,25,000. Then money spent on accessories rupees 65,000. Now we will add the total spent money. So it will become rupees 7,25,000 plus rupees 65,000 equals to rupees 7,90,000. Here 50 lakh rupees in Rajesh's bank account. So money in the bank equals to rupees 15 lakh. He spent rupees 7,90,000. So money spent rupees 7,90,000. Now we have to find how much money is left in Rajesh's account. So money left in the bank equals to rupees 15 lakh minus rupees 7,90,000 equals to rupees 7,10,000. Hence, Rajesh has rupees 7,10,000 in his account. Today in this video, we have read about addition, subtraction and their properties. Thank you.